Now I am going to use the lipstick that I received in the Trend Mood box, and it's a Me You Yours, and it's the GWEN Stefani. But before I do that, I want to use a lip liner I have. I don't remember the name. This is a matte liquid. The last time I put it on, the first time I put it on in the live, it felt like matte. So I'm going with that for now. Color is beautiful, it is pretty, it dries fast, but it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous.